Hey guys, welcome back. Mariah here again with the Party Thieves, and we have shown you how to inflate your double stuffed balloons, but now this is a big one. This is going to show you how to tie your double stuffed balloons. This is a trick I did not learn right away, and my fingers hated me because I was trying to tie both sets of balloons, 2 layers of latex together, and it was a struggle. I'm sure you'll see some videos of me trying to do that because looking back on it, it was kind of comical. What you're gonna wanna do with your double stuffed balloons is you're gonna wanna take the inner balloon, not both, because that's 2 layers of latex you're gonna have to tie and it's way harder. Just the inner balloon, and you're gonna tie it just like how I showed you in the other videos. Just those inner red ones. Tie a knot and pull it tight. Make sure you got a long tail. Your fingers are gonna thank me.